Hey there. Okay, now we are looking for open Chrome, then tap DaVinci Resolve, then here DaVinci Resolve 17. I prefer you to download DaVinci Resolve 17, then scroll down. If you want to watch it, then scroll down here, DaVinci Resolve 17, then tap on download. Okay, now everyone make a mistake here, like everyone download this DaVinci Resolve 17 Studio. The Studio, it's a paid version. It's though most of our notes is free. That's not free. It's include everything in this version. This is DaVinci Resolve 17. This is the free version, and this too, 16. It's a stable version. It's a evolution version. Okay, if you have a Mac, okay, then tap this. If you have Linux, tap this. I have Windows, so I tap this. Then fill up everything. Then register and download. It will start automatic after you tap on a download button. After download completed, open File Explorer, then go to Downloads, then this will appear, DaVinci Resolve. Click that, then tap this. It will start extracting. It takes quite some time. Extracting. Yeah, now it's extracted. Wait for quite some time. The application will appear. Yeah, click on yes. Include Fairlight, then install. Then I speed it up. Yeah, then click I accept all agreements. Don't change this. If you want free space in any disk, change that. I don't want to. Then install. Yeah, that's all. Exit. That's all. Yeah. Here we have it. Open it. right, and keep rocking. Bye, have a great day.